afternoon, Coach Brearley, Miss Wood, and Mrs. Tuss class. Welcome to your first homework video into your flipped classroom. Today we're going to be talking about the interactive notebook.
Yay!
Did you bring your interactive notebook today, Miss Wood?
What's an interactive notebook?
I'm glad you asked that question. That's a great question. It's what you have right here in front of you.
Oh, this notebook?
The one that your teacher gave you today before you left for school, right?
Yeah.
Remember, guys, it goes home, but it also comes back. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I want to make sure, Miss Wood, you didn't put your name on it. How do I know this is Miss Wood's? I pick it up and this looks like everyone else's. Can you put your name on it for me?
Of course.
Where'd your marker lid go?
Perfect. Let's get started now. Open your notebook to the very front page. This is called your title page. Your title page also is page 1. So go ahead and mark down here in the right-hand corner, page 1. Now, what goes on a title page, Miss Wood?
The title?
Well, how about your name? Let's put your name. Mrs. Wood.
Wood.
And you might want to put it, you can put it at the top if you write really big, or maybe in the center, but something that someone's going to be able to read it. Now, after you put your name, let's put the subject area. What's the subject?
Math?
Perfect. So let's go ahead and write
Ding,
math.
ding, ding, ding.
And of course, we want to know who your teacher is, so that way if it does get lost, they know who to give it to. So who's your teacher, Miss Wood?
Miss Tufts?
That's correct.
But what if you're not my teacher?
If Miss Tufts, myself, is not your teacher, please make sure you write Miss Wood or Coach Brearley. If you're not in my class physically, do not put me as your teacher. All right, and last but not least, we want to make sure you write the period. So if someone does find it and you're in first period with me, maybe they'll get it back to you before first period. So I'm going to go ahead and put period 1. Now it's okay if you are in first and second period with me. Period 1 will do just fine.
What if it changes?
If your schedule changes, we might just have to cross this out and maybe put period 4.
Oh, and pencil erases.
That's true. If you write in pencil, because you bring a pencil every day to class, you can easily erase it. But the only problem, make sure your name is a marker or something so no one else can erase it and try to steal your interactive notebook. Moving on. You're going to take your title page, turn it over to the very next page. So this is my interactive notebook. Just like Miss Wood is demonstrating, on the back of it is going to be page 2. Go ahead and make a page 2 for me. Now on page 2, you are going to leave it blank. Nothing on it. Do not write anything. Page 2 is perfect. That was easy. Now, moving on. After page 2 comes page
3.
So, right next to your blank page is going to be page 3. Now, this page is going to be your table of contents. Now, on your table of contents, you'll notice to the left you have that red line, which we refer to as the margin. Make a pen. You can either draw right on that red line, or just remember the red line and over will be used for the date. Go ahead and write the word date above it. Are you ready, Miss Wood?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so we have the date. We have what we're doing that day. And then, so we can find it easy, so when I go to maybe review for my final exam or my unit test, I quickly know where to go. So over here, I'm going to put the page number. And if you don't have room to write out the word number, you can put the number symbol. This is what it looks like just in case you forgot. Now this is as far as we are going to go today in your interactive notebook. But you've done a great job and you are ready for class for tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. Tomorrow.